Want to know how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2024? We have got you covered. Welcome to the world of YouTube monetization, where creativity meets opportunity. It's a place where your passion can fuel your wallet, and your unique content can reach audiences worldwide. In the digital landscape of 2024, YouTube monetization has become more crucial than ever. With an increase in content creation and consumption, YouTube has refined its monetization policies and strategies. It's not just about slapping ads on your video. It's about understanding how to maximize your earning potential and create a sustainable income stream. From new eligibility criteria to advanced ad formats, YouTube's monetization game has leveled up. So, whether you're a vlogger, educator, entertainer, or influencer, this guide will help you navigate YouTube's monetization waters. Stick around to explore the step-by-step process to monetize your YouTube channel in 2024. First things first, let's understand the eligibility criteria for monetization. So, you've got your channel up and running, and now you're wondering how to start earning some green from your content. Well, there are a few boxes you need to tick before you can start monetizing your videos. Let's start with the basics. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. This is no small feat, but it's achievable with consistency, creativity, and a bit of patience. Next up is watch time. Your channel needs to have accumulated 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. That's a lot of eyeballs glued to your content, but it's not just about quantity. The quality of your content matters too, because the more engaging your videos are, the more likely viewers are to stick around. But it's not all about the numbers. Adherence to YouTube's policies and guidelines is a must. This includes the YouTube Partner Program policies, the YouTube Community Guidelines, the Terms of Service, and the Copyright and Google AdSense program policies. Break any of these rules, and you might find yourself ineligible for monetization. Now let's talk about location. You need to reside in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. So, if you're in a remote corner of the globe where the program hasn't rolled out yet, you might have to wait a bit longer. And last, but definitely not least, you need to have an AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. This is how you'll get paid, so make sure to set it up correctly. In 2024, there's been a slight tweak to the criteria. YouTube now requires channels to have a higher percentage of original content. This means that if you're rehashing other people's content without adding any significant value, you might struggle to get monetized. Remember, meeting these criteria is only the first step to monetization. The journey doesn't end here, so buckle up, because we're just getting started. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, the next step is to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So, how do you go about it? Let's dive right in. The application process is straightforward. Begin by signing into your YouTube account. Navigate to the monetization section in your YouTube studio, and there you will find the option to apply. You will be prompted to agree to the terms of the YouTube Partner Program, so do take a moment to read through these carefully. Next, you will need to set up an AdSense account if you don't already have one. This is crucial, as AdSense is the platform through which you will receive your earnings. Once you've completed these steps, you're officially in the review process. This is where YouTube takes a closer look at your channel. It's important to understand that YouTube is not just looking at numbers. Yes, watch hours and subscriber count are vital, but YouTube is also focused on the type of content you create. They're looking for original, engaging content that adds value to the platform. They want to see that you're following all of YouTube's policies and guidelines, and they're also interested in the consistency of your content. Regularly uploading videos that your audience loves is a surefire way to capture YouTube's attention. Do keep in mind the review process is not instantaneous. It can take a few weeks, so patience is key here. During this time, continue creating and uploading quality content to keep your audience engaged. And what happens after the review? If your application is approved, you will receive an email from YouTube welcoming you to the YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations! You now have access to a suite of monetization tools and features that can help you earn money from your content. But if your application is not approved, don't be disheartened. You can reapply after 30 days, giving you ample time to address any issues that may have led to the initial rejection. Once accepted into the program, you will have access to monetization features. The journey doesn't end here, though. It's just the beginning of a potentially rewarding adventure in content creation. Now that you're a part of the YouTube Partner Program, it's time to understand the monetization features and ad formats available. The first feature we'll explore is ads. Ads form the backbone of YouTube monetization. They appear in various forms and places on your videos, offering a consistent revenue stream. Next up is channel memberships. This feature allows your audience to join your channel through monthly payments. In return, they receive badges, new emojis, and access to exclusive live chats. It's a great way to foster a sense of community while also boosting your income. The merchandise shelf is another fantastic monetization tool. It allows you to showcase and sell your official merchandise directly from your video page. If you've got cool merchandise, this feature is a no-brainer. Lastly, we have Super Chat. This feature enables viewers to pay to have their comments highlighted during your live streams. It's a fun and interactive way for viewers to support you and engage with your content. Now let's talk about ad formats. Display ads are visible on the right of the feature video and above the video suggestions list. Overlay ads are semi-transparent and appear on the lower 20% of your video. Both these formats are desktop only. Skippable video ads are the most common type. They allow viewers to skip the ad after 5 seconds. Non-skippable video ads, on the other hand, must be watched before your video can be viewed. Both these formats appear at the start, during, or after your video, and can be shown on both desktop and mobile devices. Lastly, we have bumper ads. These are short, non-skippable video ads of up to 6 seconds that play before your video. They're designed to be quick and impactful. Each ad format has its own benefits and drawbacks. The key is to choose the one that best aligns with your content and audience preferences. Choosing the right ad format can significantly impact your earnings. So take the time to understand and implement these features to maximize your YouTube revenue. Now that you know how to monetize, let's look at some tips to maximize your earnings. First and foremost, focus on creating engaging content. It's the content that hooks in your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Think about what your viewers like, what they react to, and what keeps them engaged. Then create more of it. The more views and watch time your videos get, the more opportunities you have to earn revenue. The algorithm loves engagement, and so do advertisers. Next, optimize your video titles and descriptions. Your title should be catchy and relevant, giving potential viewers a clear idea of what to expect from your video. Your description should be detailed and filled with keywords that relate to your content. This not only helps viewers understand your video better, but it also helps YouTube's algorithm categorize your content, increasing the chances of it being recommended to viewers who are interested in your niche. Don't forget about your thumbnails and tags. A compelling thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Make your thumbnails eye-catching and representative of your content. Similarly, use relevant tags to help YouTube understand what your video is about. Promoting your channel on other social media platforms can also be a game changer. Leverage your presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other platform where your potential viewers hang out. Share your videos, engage with your audience, and create a community around your content. This not only drives more traffic to your YouTube channel, but also provides more opportunities for monetization. Finally, consider collaborating with other creators. This can expose your channel to a new audience, driving more views and potentially increasing your earnings. And remember, patience is key. Growing a YouTube channel and maximizing earnings doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. Remember, the key to maximizing earnings is consistency and quality of content. Now that we've covered everything you need to know about YouTube monetization in 2024, it's time to put this knowledge into action. We've taken a deep dive into the eligibility criteria for monetization, which includes reaching a specific threshold of watch hours and subscribers. We've also discussed the steps to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, your gateway to monetization. Remember, it's not just about reaching these thresholds. It's also about maintaining high-quality content that engages your audience and adheres to YouTube's community guidelines. We've explored the various monetization features and ad formats available. From display ads to merchandise shelves, each of these can significantly contribute to your revenue stream. Lastly, we shared some effective tips for maximizing your earnings, like understanding your audience, optimizing your content for SEO, and utilizing YouTube's analytics. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.